Welcome to part 14 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Forget. Forget. Sometimes I forget where I put my toys. Visit. Visit. We visit the zoo every summer. Learn. Learn. I want to learn how to swim this year. Think. Think. I always think about my favorite game. Hear. Hear. I can hear my mom calling me from the kitchen. Lead. Lead. The coach will lead the team to victory. Fly. Fly. The kite can fly high in the sky when it's windy. Believe. Believe. I believe that I can do anything if I try hard. Meet. Meet. I will meet my new teacher on the first day of school. Offer. Offer. My friend offered me her book to read. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.